Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the amazing deals you can find at Dollarama. Perfect for anyone setting up their new home or just looking for budget friendly finds. When I first came to Canada, I didn't know much about such stores and I would often shop at big ones for small home essentials. Once I discovered Dollarama and saw how low the prices were without compromising on quality, I realized I could have saved hundreds of dollars. If you are a newcomer to Canada or simply need a home refresh, this store has got you covered. So let's get started with some must have items you can grab at unbeatable prices. First up, we have got these elegant spatulas, spoons, and forks. If you are after something chic, Dollarama has silver and gold plated options that look expensive than they actually are. They are good for your kitchen setup or even a special dinner party. It also offers a great selection of sturdy and sharp knives at low prices. They have got some non-stick pans and handy kitchen gadgets like this frother. There are some kitchen tools that are essential for meal prep, and you don't need to spend a fortune, like this mortar, for crushing spices or making homemade pestos. It's a must have if you love cooking with fresh ingredients. Keeping your home clean is easy with Dollarama's selection of tissues and cleaning products. From microfiber cloths to all purpose cleaners, you'll find everything you need to keep your new home spotless. Their Splash collection is a great find for anyone setting up their space. They have got stylish soap containers and matching water bottles that add a touch of fun to your kitchen or bathroom. Plus, they offer super handy travel friendly small bottle packs perfect for packing your toiletries on the go. All of this at prices much lower than what you'd find online or at big retailers. Check out these storage containers to keep your things organized. They also have buckets, laundry baskets, and small dustbins, essential for daily chores and keeping things in order. They even have a transparent stepping stool, perfect for reaching those high shelves. These cute stickers and soft toys are good for kids or adding a fun touch to your space. They have also got a great selection of party decor, whether you're planning a small gathering or just want to jazz up your room. And for game lovers, you'll find puzzle games like Sudoku that are perfect for keeping busy or giving it as a small gift. For your kitchen organization, you'll find a range of storage containers, including these glass ones and some in stylish green color as well. They also have oil dispenser so you can store and pour oils easily. Need to organize your spices? Dollarama has cute spice jar sets that keep your spices fresh and easy to access. Stay hydrated with their wide selection of bottles and ice cube containers. And for a cozy touch, don't miss these tableside carpets. They have some in floral print as well, which are perfect for small spaces. They've got these cute, nice door stoppers. This store has a range of plates, bowls, and cups which are also microwave safe. These are great for everyday use and add a nice trendy vibe to your home. What's really amazing about Dollarama is how their prices compare to big online retailers. You'll often find that the same kind of home essentials, storage items, and even seasonal decorations are priced much lower here, sometimes less than the half of the cost of what you'd pay at a giant online store. It's a great place to save money while still getting stylish and functional pieces. These items are practical, affordable, and stylish, especially for newcomers or those who setting up their new home. This wool covered cup is perfect for cozy winter drinks, right? If you love multi-purpose items, check out these glasses. They're not just for drinking, they make beautiful decorative pieces too. While Dollarama has plenty of great items, there are a few things I usually skip. I'm a bit unsure about those items, so I tend to avoid those just to be safe. Winter is coming, and Dollarama has you covered with caps, cute ear covers, mufflers, and gloves, all at great prices. These are good for staying warm without spending too much. Add some greenery to your home with their selection of planters, pots, and flower vases. Whether you prefer artificial or real plants, these will make your space feel more lively. If you are into sewing or just need to make a quick fix, this store has needle and thread kits for you. These are good for small repairs or beginner sewing projects, and they come at a fraction of the price you would find elsewhere. Organize your wardrobe with their affordable hangers, a small but essential item for keeping things neat and tidy. As we head into fall, don't forget their Halloween collection. From spooky mugs to decorative plates, there's plenty to get your home into the festive spirit. And if you love creating a cozy atmosphere, check out their lamps, candles, and candle holders. There are plenty of great options to create that perfect warm glow in your home. Lastly, for those early birds, Dollarama's Christmas decorations are already on the shelves, including adorable ornaments and holiday themed tableware. That's all for today, guys. But make sure to stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I'll be showcasing even more Dollarama finds, budget friendly tips, and great deals from other stores too. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.